Who would have thought that something as simple as a zipper could be transformed into a stunning fashion accessory? Well, let me take you on a creative journey that's bound to beat your imagination. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary zipper into a chic and stylish brooch. Do you want to add a touch of elegance to your outfit or that of your customers, or make a bold statement? I got it covered. This craft is what you need. So grab your materials and let's get crafting. I picked this small piece of leather from a shoemaker. So I'm going to cut a circle. You will know what dimension to cut or make yours at the end of the video. So keep watching. In place of the leather, you can make do with a stiff. Next, you would need a zip or a zipper. This measures 30 inches, although I did not use everything. I also have a lapel pin. What I love most about this pin is the fact that it has a stopper. Then lastly, glue gun. If you have UHU, you can use that as well. I'll cut off the tip of the zipper and measure 3 inches and cut. So the 3 inches, you would need 5 pieces. I'm going to do this to each of the ends to avoid fraying. I'll then thread a needle and knot. I'm going to make tackings. So I'm going to divide the piece of the zip into 3. So I'll tack 3 times, just as you see. So this is how it should be. Forget that it is long, but concentrate on the part I am showing you. This is what you should have at the end of the day. Although I have 6, I used 5. Mind you, this is the first of the many projects that I made. So you pick one of the beautiful flowers, then you put it on the first fold. If you have your project in your hands, you understand what I have. So you are going to have 4 folds. So you put 1/2 on the first fold, then you sew to tack it. You have to sew to make it invisible, almost invisible. If you are using the same color of thread as the zip, you are not going to have a problem. But I used white, so I had to sew it so that it will be almost invisible. Welcome to my channel. If today is your first time here, do subscribe to be a part of this amazing community. I am fully back and I'm pleading with you to continue supporting me as you've always been. Follow me on my Facebook page and group Versatile Nana and Versatile Nana Beads respectively, and you are not going to regret it. As I always say, we are doing this together. So anything that you find interesting that you would want me to share with you and the rest of the community, WhatsApp me on the number on the screen and I'll gladly share. The reason I used only 5 out of the 6 is for it to be very cute, not too big. I will tack the last part and voila, we are done with the first of the 3 process. I'll use the other half to make a rose. So I will first fold the tip as you see and tack. By tacking, I mean I will sew to hold it together. Later, I use the glue to make another one, and it also turned out beautiful. So you have options. From here, I am going to tack the rest of the zip. Mind you, I will not use everything. I have the hole in the middle of the first part as my guide. So as I pull the tacking, I make sure it goes around the first small rows that I made. I will do that repeatedly until I get the desired size. I've gotten what I want, so I am going to sew through to make it very firm. I am finally done, so I will put the two pieces together. Looking at it now, I'm asking myself, why didn't I glue? At this point, you are free to glue them together. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate my OGs. You people have shown unconditional love to my channel. I am super grateful. It's been a roller coaster the last 2 years, but I thank God for grace and strength. Someone said, I do not know what tomorrow brings, but I know who brings tomorrow. I would therefore cling unto him for a brighter tomorrow. I pray you remember this always as you journey through the pages of life. Next, I will pin the lapel to the leather and begin gluing. Mind you, you can never be stingy with the glue. Anytime I glue, I put them together to make sure that they are steady or they are firmly secured before I let loose. To prevent wastage of the glue, I'll be turning it on and off intermittently. Lastly, I will attach the lapel to the zipper. Did I say lastly a while ago? Okay, this is the very last part. I was torn between using a bead and the control part of the zipper. I was torn between using the two, but finally I decided to use that one instead of a bead. Fun fact, today is September 20th, 2024. Besides the gold and the black that I made today, the other colors, I bought and cut them in 2018 when I began my other channel, but they never saw the day of light. I never attended to them until this day that I am talking to you. What does this teach us? God is never late and his timing is always the best. As you make your choice, do remember to keep hope alive all the time.